If your sink, shower or bath is blocked, you can attempt to unblock this yourself using a plunger. Short, concertina plungers are best for this job. If the plug is in the bath or the sink, make sure to cover the overflow hole with a cloth. Shower trays and enclosures don't have an overflow hole. Place the plunger over the plug, making sure you have a good seal around the edge of the plunger and the water is covering the plunger cup. Push the plunger up and down, letting a small amount of water into the plug as you plunge. Try this several times as the blockage may be difficult to remove. Some small debris may come back up into the sink. This is quite normal and you can rinse this back down into the plug if you'd prefer. This should fix the problem, but if your plug is still blocked, give us a call to request a repair. In this instance, please don't use the sink, bath or shower until we've repaired it.